జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 42nd sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yam imam pushpitam vacham प्रवदन्ति अविपश्चितः वेदवादरताः पार्थ नान्यत् अस्तीति वादिनः. Om. There are some people obsessed by desires and pleasures. They ignore the very important philosophical and spiritual section of life and our Vedic scriptures. So do not get attracted by their flattering and impressive talk. Sri Krishna Paramatma gives the best option for every one of us in 18th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, asking every one of us to surrender to him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimannarayana, I shall not get attracted by flattering and impressive talk of people who ignore the very important spiritual section of life and our Vedic scriptures. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टू श्री सुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टू नरनारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Saryati, the king, came to know that his daughter Sukanya poked into Chyavana Maharshi's eyes. Then Saryati started praying Chyavana Maharshi. Munim prasadayamasa Valmika Antarhitam Shanaihi. He prayed in several ways to চ্যবনা Maharshi. Then চ্যবনা Maharshi said, "O Raja, you give me your daughter. Marry me your daughter." Then Saryati did the same thing. He left his daughter Sukanya with চ্যবনা Maharshi, and then he went back to his kingdom. চ্যবনা Maharshi has so much of anger. Sukanya noticed that, and Sukanya started behaving in such a way চ্যবনা Maharshi never ever got mad. And after some time, Ashwini Devatas, who are the doctors, belong to the category of Devatas. They came to চ্যবনা Maharshi's ashramam. চ্যবনা Maharshi asked them to give him young age. In return, চ্যবনা Maharshi says to Ashwini Devatas that I will make you all eligible to receive a part of Soma Rasam in the Yajnas. Then Ashwini Devatas made চ্যবনা Maharshi dipped into one pond. Then when he got up, three handsome persons came out of that pond. Sukanya was unable to recognize who is her husband. Then Sukanya prayed Ashwini Devatas. Ashwini Devatas felt very much pleased with Sukanya's great chastity, great amount of pativratyam, because she never got influenced by anyone's handsomeness. She was trying to find her own husband, no matter he is old or young or blind or anything. So after seeing that her great devotion towards husband, Ashwini Devatas felt very happy and gave চ্যবনা Maharshi to Sukanya. After that, they took permission from Maharshi and then left to their own abode in their vimanas, in their aeroplanes. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 42nd sloka. Ya mimam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitaha vedavadaratah pardha nanyadastiti vadinaha. Yamimam pushpitam vacham pravadantya vipaschitaha vedavadaratah pardha nanyadastiti vadinaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.